Announcer po natin ngayon si Mr. John. Mr. John. Alright. Alright, sa ating second game. Tap, nakuha ni Mr. Bong. Mr. Bong sumayo, diretso, pasa kay Minyo. Minyo, wala. Nakuha ni Norbert.
Full guard.
Number 19, naghanap ng mabasahan, pasak kay Mr. Sian. To number 11, Angelino for 3, wala. Good pa rin yan.
Ryan.
Andiyan na naman. Buti, wala pa rin. Number 24. Ano ito video nito? Ang ganda ng side step. Wala. Rebound by Sian. Number 9. Pasa kay number 6, Mr. Jobs. Yes. Pasa kay si number 11, number 11 for 3. Number 11. 3 points. Number 24, Salvador, pass to Nino. Nino pasa kay Bon for 3. Yes, 2 points. Then number score is 3-2 in favor of Levine. Number 11.
Pasa mo na.
Alright, ang ganda ng defense. Number 19. Diretso pasa kay Sian. Paboritong shot.
Nice.
Number 24 to pass to Mr. Greg. Number 99. Nakuha, naagawan. Oops, naagawan ni Mr. Bong. Mr. Bong. Pasa kay Mr. Greg. 2 points by Greg. Ayan, dyan na naman si Jobs. Diretso. Wala. Ang labas. Nino. Pass to Nolan. Pass to number 11, Bong. Bong sa Dario. Pass to number 24, Salvador. Wala, rebound. Sa kanila ba rin? Number 9. Titira ng 3. Bang! Number 9. Ang daming tumitira ng 3.
Harak.
Score is 8-4 in favor. Minyo, bumawi ang press. Yun, muntik na. Rebound by Bong. Number 11. Number 11. Wala. Kaya naman, number 11 doon sa kabila.
Bang!
First foul, number 5. Number 5, first personal foul. First team foul. First personal foul, Aaron Nolan. Number 11, bonus 3.
Nice one.
Pasok. Score is 11-4. Nolan.
Wala.
Pass to number 24. Number 24, Salvador. Pasa kay number 11, Sam Jared. Pull up. Yes, 14 points. Score is 11-6. Andiyan na naman. Wala. Ang gulo si Sian. Rebound. Nalawa na yun.
Nice.
Sayang. Last touch. Reveal po. Number 29. Pass to number 19. 19.
Okay lang,
Hindi na
okay
salo.
lang.
Hawakan ng mabuti ang bola. Number 24.
Challenge, challenge.
Salvador. Naghanap ng pasan. Pass to Fred. 99. Nagawa ni Megan. 19.
Alanganin.
Yun, nagaan kuha ni Salvador. Pass to number 11, Mr. Bong Sugayo. Wala. Rebound by Greg. First foul up. Number 6. Number 6. Reyes. First personal foul. Second, first team foul.
Nice, nice.
Wala. Two footers for Greg. Number 99.
Ready, jumper.
Second foul, wala. Rebound by number 19. Up. Ay, wala ba?
Nice job.
Sorry, hindi na malayan. Palit lang players na pala. Di ba?
Mag-calling naman mga
Palit ng players.
Yan o, Milo.
Two pitchers for number 6. Yes. First shooter, wala.
Wala na talaga.
Number 6, second shooter, wala. Rebound by George, 99. Pass to number 9. Pass to Hendrich. Hendrich nagdadala ng bola. Hendrich pass to number 11. Pass to Bong. Bong, Diretso. Nice block by number 6. Good block.
Dalawa dito, Raymond, cutter.
Wala. Rebound by number 29. Batong. Bilis ni Chilin. Time out by Ayas. Ang Ayas, wala na po kayo time out sa first quarter. Hey Joel, magbihis ka na.
Injured.
Ikaw na maglaro si Jab. Paupuin mo yan.
Injured ako ng ba?
Kapag kita na nag-uniform, yan ka pa naman.
Number 70, ano number ko? 73? Number 11, Bong.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Number 60 na doon. Bong 30, wala. Ball.
Yan, mga barangay. Okay, kama talaga. Yan, kama talaga.
Ano ba na? Ay, taas ng pasa.
Okay lang. Harap na. Nice. Okay lang.
Number 9. Number 9 pa rin. Naghanap ng mga pasahan. Number 9, pass to number 11. Number 11. 99. The block shot by number 6. Grabe. Taas ng layat. Diyan na naman si Chuyan. Ang bilis tumakbo. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni... Nice ball. Ayos ball.
Okay lang. Harap.
Number 1. Hendrich. Pass to number 29 to number 28. Wala. Rebound by number 99. 99 pass to number 9. Number 9. To number 11. Pass to number 14. Bitawan ni Val. Pass to number 9. Side step, wala. Sa kanya pa rin. Advance na.
Saan? Okay lang saan?
Remaining time 2 minutes and 8 seconds sa ating first quarter.
Wala natin, wala natin. Good night.
Wala. Chamber. Red ball.
40 seconds ha, 40 seconds.
3 shots. Red, 3 points, no? Yes, 3 points, 3 points. Number 9. Yes. 2 points by number 9. Score is 16-8. Number 9 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Score po natin 16-8. Ayun. Sana pa rin. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Chuen. Chuen sa number 29. The Chavez to Jobs. Para ko, itatang ka. Wala. Sana pa rin. Island lang. Score is 18-8. Bonus score for number 6, Reyes. Yes. Super. Wala. Foul. Red ball. Number 9. Wala. Agawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 14. White ball. Number 9 to number 11 to number 9. Wala. Jobs. Ang ganda, nasunod na lang. Ayun. Number 9. First foul up. Number 32. First personal foul. Chen, remove the 8 seconds. Tumira ng 3. 2 points. Last 1 second. Bro, Joel.
Pwede talaga detail pa yun. Pwede naman namin sa kanya sa kanya. Hindi dapat. Kasi siya ako na.
Ay, pinalabas na.
Dito.
Ay, pero,
Ay, siyan, naka.
sige Chavez, tatlo din eh.
Pero hindi.
Ilan ba kayo? Ilan ba kayo? Pito.
Pero para yan nasa loob kanina.
Okay.
Official naman po na miyembro yan. Injury lang po. Paano kung ilalaro?
Okay lang.
Pero official ano naman siya, miyembro naman po siya. Pwede po siya dito sideline.
Oo.
Tama po ba, di ba?
Next time, Bro Joel, huwag ka na mag-jersey ng Naka-just short ka kasi. Ayun, nagawan may number 11. Wala, ganda ng depensa. Good defense by number 24, number 14. Number 24, side up. This corner, number 32. 32 second personal foul. First team foul. 32 pass to Nino. Nino to number 14. 16 second shot clock. Number 9. Number 9, wala, rebound by number 9. Yun, ang gawa ng bola. Number 9 to number 11. Foul, number 5. Number 5, second personal foul. Second, first team foul. Score is 21-8. Number 9. Redeem ball. Number 9 pass to number 32. So, ayan, naagawan. Nakuha ni number 9. 19. Number 19 to number 9. Wala na. 2 points by number 9. Score is 23-8 in favor of Redeem. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 9. 2 points by number 9. Hendrich. Score is 23-10. Number 11, sinara na Chris, wala. Nakuha ni number 9. Sian to Mervin. Mervin to Kevin. Kevin back to Sian. Sian for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Agawa ng bola. Nandiyan na si Alipit. Number 11, wala. Rebound pa number 9. Kaya diretso na yan. Foul, number 11. Nolan, pass to Nolan. Nolan, nagawa ng bola hapo. Grabe silang gak makashoot eh. Durangga. Ay, ang lakas ng gandang lakas lang. Ang lakas ng pasa. Sayang lang, sayang. Yung isa bata pa eh. Number 28. Back to Mervin. Mervin to Kevin. To number 11. To 19. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Pass to Hendrich. Hendrich. Number 9. Yeah, wala. Rebound by number 24. Nino, wala pa rin. Sayang. Val to number 34. Covered. Foul by number 32. Number 32. Ali pick for personal foul. Number 32. Score is 25-12. Bonus for number 24. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 9, Sian. Pass to Mervin. Mervin to Sian. Ang ganda. Score is 27-12. Number 24. Ayan, ganda na yan. Screen. Pass. Oh, nagulat ang sa paso. Ayan. Number 11. Foul by number 5. Konting ingat lang po. Huwag na yung ulitin ulit. Delikado po yun, delikado. Palit players, palit players. Palit. Score is 29-12. Then, pass to Greg. Wala. Magawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Chien. To Mervin. To Duchabas. Number 29. Tumira na naman ng cross. Ang lakas. Nakuha ni 78. 78. The dribble. Pass to 24. Pass to Bong. Number 11. Gawa ng bola, nakuha ni Greg. Ayun. 2 heads by Greg. Score 29-14. 15 points lead by Levine. Defense by defense. 28 to number 29. Ayan na. Paminit na. 3 points. 32-14 po ang ating score. Good! Ayun, sa kanya pa rin, malakas. Kaya pa rin! Nakuha ni Ivan. So, Dario, 2 points. Score, 32-16. Kalahati. Ay! Time out. Lubin. Score 42-16. Number 24. Sabayo, tumira na boss, wala, nagulat. Si Greg. Yan naman, ups, nag-appear sa taas. Number 19, foul. 14 fouls. Check. You so quick looking. First free throw, pasok. Score 22-17. 99, second pressure. Oy, yan. Pasok. Number 11. Pasti number 19 turun. Pasti Duchabas. Ayan na naman ang bola press. Wala. Ayun, wala. Kumuha ng bola. Rebound by Greg, number 19 na. Pastor John Sodaro. Number 24, ayun, ang ganda, pull up, wala, rebound, agawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Bong, Subayo, 2 points. 50-20. 12 na lang, 12 points. Lead by Redeem. Mervin. Tumutulog, pass to number 29, pass to gitna, lagawan, nakuha niya ulit ang bola. Foul by number 78. Number 78, first personal foul, second team foul. Sa second quarter. Number 19. 19, pass to number 39. Walang rebound by Nino. Lakas mag-rebound ni Nino. Redeem ball. Pass to Marlon. Uy, naging tayong sa bola. Siyan. Redeem ball, redeem ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds. Nalawan. Wala nang tao. Si Greg na lang mag-isa. Score is 32-32. 10 na lang ang lamang. Megan. Ayun. 2 points. 45 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Nino. Ang lakas. Last 30 seconds. Megan, number 19. Megan. Pasa wala. 30 seconds. Running time below. 30 seconds. Running time. Foul. Rusak. Ang tagal ka sa binigyan ng bulan. Ito. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Penalty. 2 free throws. Two free throws for number 24. Pasok.
Ninyo, baba na.
Score 24-23. Wala. Rebound number 19. 5 seconds. Wala na. And the second quarter scores 34-23. 11 points lead by Redeem. Third quarter over there. Third quarter over there.
Ano? Labas muna ako.
White ball.
Bố mua lẩu ly ở gần phao đi bắt cô Giang á.
Number 24. Number 42, rebound. Agawan ng bulan. Pindot ni Sian. Pass to Chian, number 28 to number 29 to number 11 for 3. Wala rebound. Yan, ano ng bola? Ayun. Nice block. Number 34. Number 24. Yun, ang ganda. Counted. 2 points. Foul number 29. 29. 29, second personal foul. First team foul. Number 24. Wala. Number 9, paasa sa Nico Jobs. Nakuha ni number 14, Val. Val to number 11. 11 to number 9. Number 2. Pass to number 24. Paasa sa ilalim. Wala na ni Val. Out ball. Score. The Big Jobs score is 36-25. So 11 points lead. Hendricks drop. Wala lang. Number 29 rebound. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Malayo. Out of bounds. Remaining time 7 minutes and 58 seconds for third quarter. Number 24, yun, nakalusot. Pinasa kay ball. Wala lang. Sayang. Number 11. Number 11. Ayun, nandiyan na naman si Chuyan. Ayun, wala ka tao. Rebound by jump ball. Redeem ball. Same ball. Number 29. Diyan na si Job. Bumelo. Wala. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Oh. Wala na katao-tao. Diyan na si Bong. Ang ganda ng ito. 2 points. Score is 36-27. Siya na. Yun, nakalusot pa rin. 2 points. Galing. Number 14, Val. How many foul? Number 14. Second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for number 6. Time out. Time out by IF. Scores 39-27. Third base lead by Redeem.
Mua mấy cái cây trong game á để
IF. So IF, wala na kayong time out sa third quarter. Sige. Diretso sa gitna. First pirate, number 6. Cruzas for ball. Number 6, how many fouls? Number 6, 2 personal foul. Second team foul. Number 11, shot. Number 11, second feature pass up. Number 11, ayan, di pumasok. Sayang yung opportunity. Number 9, Sian. Ayan, biglang titira yan. Top, nagawa, nakuha ni number 5. Number 5 pass to number 14, nagawan. Si number 11. Number 11 to number 29. Two pass by number 29. Score 42-28. 14 na left. Number 24. Foul by number 28. Third team foul. Third team foul. 42. Pass to number 14 to number 24 for 3. Wala. Ang lakas. Nakuha ni number 5. Number 5. Let's go. Yes! 2 points. By number 5. Anak ko yan.
Dapat din yan!
Ito anak ko yan. Scores 42-30. Number 29 naman. Wala. Rebound by number 11. 11 to number 24. Pass to number 11 ulit. 2 points. Palit. Score is 42-22. 42-22. Sampai na lang ulit. Redeem ball. Harap. Number 28 to number 9 to Jobs. Number 6. Balik kay number 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Hendrix. Hendrix rebound. Number 11 to 24. Salvador to Bongs. Pass kay Greg. Wala. Sayang. Number 9, ayun. Ang bilis, tumakbo. Ayun, nakayong nila, nakagaw. Number 24. Salvador to Bong. Yes, he wins. Score, 42-34. Ayan, pumasok pa rin. 44-34, sa ulit. Okay, number 9. Third quarter na po tayo. Third quarter. 4 minutes, remaining time. Nino, diretso! Ayun, nagawan. Number 6. Ayun, ito. Offensive foul by number 6. Offensive foul. Number 6, third personal foul.
Third? Late na siya?
Running for penalty and redeemed. Number 99. Trouble. White ball. White ball. 13 second shot clock. Number 11 for 2 points. 44-36. Wala na lang, 44-36. 28 to number 9. Sian to Mervin. Mervin, titira ba yan o ipapasa sa salin? Sa Sian yun, nagawan. Ang ganda ng depensa. Number 24 to number 11. 2 points. Time out. By Rubin. Score is 44-38. Ano na lang? Ano na lang ang laman? Ang bilis tumakbo ni Lilia. 2 points, Marvin. Score, 44-40. Apat na lang. Nice block. Pass to number 24. Back to Nino. Yun, nakalan. Number 9. Bruno. Basog. Technical. Number 9, technical foul. Paano po? Kung ano yung tawag ng referee? Pag naitawag na, mahirap nang bawiin eh. So, respetuhin lang natin yung tawag ng referee. So, kung gusto nyo ma-experience yung mga tawag na ganyan, mag-referee kayo para malaman nyo kung anong...
Bakit technical? Hindi naman direct yung sabi niya eh. Doon siya nakaharap po. Saka di naman sinabi niya eh.
Sige na. Kalma lang. Focus.
White ball. Score 44-40. Laro lang. Enjoy lang. Yung grabe, ang taas nito yun. Foul by number 99.
Wala siyang perform talaga. Apat na lang, apat.
99, ilang foul na number 99? How many fouls? Number 99. First ilang foul, second team. One third out, 2 points. Score 44-32. Foul, who's foul rep?
Ilan na secret?
Number 99, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for number 6, Reyes. 27 seconds remaining time. Shot 45. Wala, kanila lang. Dalawa lang silang nag-rebound.
Sige lang. Ayaw na magigil. Ala!
Rebound ball, rebound. 12 seconds. 10. Chain, foul. 11. 5 seconds remaining time. Warning for penalty. Wala lang oras. And of the third quarter, so fourth quarter na ba tayo? Score is 45-42. Score 45-42. Eugene go, Eugene. Fourth quarter na pa tayo. Pwede na pong mag-sub. Pwede na pong kahit sino ang ipasok nyo.
Oh, Ije! Shoot!
Ang ganda ng follow-up. Ni Sian. 47-42. Greg to Bong. Diretso, paso Greg. Mga favorite shot. Yun. 2 points. Tatlo na lang ulit. Score 47-44. Number 11, foul. Number 11, second personal foul. First team foul.
Taas kamay, oh. Gitna, lapit.
Number 9, Pastor Mervin Titera ng tres. Ang lakas ng rebound by Sian. 14 seconds. Ayun, Ronnie Bong. Number 14, foul. Number 14, third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 9, pass to number 11, Avelino. Tumira ng try! Time out! Ayos. So, may isang time out na lang po kayo. Score is 50-44. Number 19, foul. Ayun, pasok. Second free throw, pasok. Apat na lang po. Alam. 50-46. Number 6. Ayun, nagawan. Wanted Mr. Bong so Daniel Jumons. Dalawa na lang po. 50-48. Number 9. Foul. Number 99. Number 99. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Foul by Hendricks, number 9. Two free throws for Zian, number 9 also.
Tatlo.
58-41. Six minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Going to number 24. Pass to Red. Upon Hendricks. Counted.
Basket number 9.
Number 9 counted. Foul by number 9. Number 9. Second personal foul. Bonus free throw for number 24. Wala. Ipanin Marvin. Pass to number 6. 6 to number 11. Ditira ng tres. Dala ng bola. Rebound by number 24. Number 9. Basket. Foul by number 14. Number 14. How many fouls? Number 14. 4 fouls. Warning for graduation. Number 14.
Kain mo na ako, tapos ikaw mag-anak.
Wala. Score po lang is 53-50. Number 14, warning for foul. Pass to number 11. Medyo matamis siya. Shoot and number 99, wala. Rebound. Number 29 to number 6. Grabe kong lumipat eh. Grabe. Number 24, 200. Nice block. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 14 out in number 31, Nino. Demanda din nila. Basta pag-sims. So, number 24, wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 24. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to Nino. Nino to number 11. Number 11 to number 9. Units. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Score is 52-50. Remaining time 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Ayun lang. Bukit. 2 points by Reyes. Number 6. 55-50. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 25 seconds. Remaining time. Mag-cornic na kayo. by Hendrik. 5 pa lang. Napagod na. Number 11. First forward, number 9. Sian. Hurt Iman. Third personal foul. Warning, 14 fouls. Three team fouls.
Time out, time out. Sir, time out kami.
Time out, redeem. Warning for penalty. Remaining time 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Score is 57-53. Apat lang.
41 người. Bữa vàng cô vàng có 40. Một cái xào đẹp, một cái trứng cút, một cái xúc xích, một cái xúc xích bạch tuộc, với lại một viên phô mai, một thanh cô, một chả cá Hàn Quốc.
Matag-iwi sa pagkaitama sa fourth quarter. Number 9, hinaharap ni number 11.
Magano no? Boss.
Number 29, 3 points. 60-53. Ito ulit. Galing.
Uy! Extended yun ah.
Good. Pull up. Yes, 2 points. 60-55. Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 5 pa, 5. Andiyan na naman. Wala.
Baba! Balik. Uy!
Sige. Number 11, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound ni Hendricks. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Sudayo, wala. First foul. Number 11. Penalty. Score 60-55. Wala. White ball. 29 foul. Di pa. 14 fouls. 14 fouls. Warning for penalty. Ang IF is penalty situation. Sudayo, pass to Greg.
29.
Yes, Greg, 50, score 60-57. Tatlo na lang, remaining time 1 minute and 14 seconds. Tatlo na lang lamang. Number Nino fouls. First foul, 21, Nino. 31 how many fouls? Second. Number 29, 2 fouls. 64-57. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Last 1 minute. Ayun. Foul, number 29. Penalty. Number 24, full shooters. Pasok. Time out. Time out. Pagmasok. Late na. Score 66-59. Twenty-three seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Yun, nagawin. Wala pa rin. 20 seconds remaining time. Foul. Number 29 foul. Number 29, congratulations. Graduate. Number 29. Last 18 seconds. Not handed. Lane violation. Oh, white ball. Kevin, time out. Dito, kumakain na ng turnik agad at chicharon. Magchicharon muna kayo. Malas talaga. End of the ball game. Ayan, redeem for finals.
Ellen, we gave you a good fight, right? We gave you a good fight, right? Yes.